Hey guys, this is Ross with Code Accelerator, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the Chrome Developer Console when you're using Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome, which is right here. I'm going to put a link to download it in the description in case you're not familiar with it. Now, the Developer Console is a place where you can type commands to modify the web page that you're on, or just to get information about it, or I'll just show you. So here we are, I already have it up. Let me just open a new tab so you can just see it from the start. I'm gonna go to my website. You can be on any website, it doesn't matter which one. All you're going to do to open the Chrome console is you're gonna right click anywhere and you're going to click inspect all the way at the bottom. And then you're going to want to go over here where it says console and click on that. Okay, I'm gonna make this bigger so you can see. And that's it. Now you see we have a little place to type right here. And I want to show you what happens if, for instance, I type the JavaScript command. Oh yeah, I didn't mention, in the Chrome console, you can write JavaScript code and it will run instantly. So if, for instance, I write the code alert, which you've probably seen in my other lessons, alert, you can put a message. You can say like, hi, this is a message, right? And this should show a pop-up box on the screen. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna write that, I'm gonna hit enter, and here we have our alert. It happened right there. I didn't even have to save any files. I just put it right in the console and it started running, okay? Let's try something else. I'll do a console.log. This message is going to output in the console. And here you see it outputted our message. This message is going to output in the console. Because, let me just zoom in a little bit. When you write JavaScript in the Chrome console, it runs it immediately. So if I write Command K, it's going to clear. That's awesome. I'm just going to show you a few other things. You could even define variables. Let's say we wanted JavaScript variables so we could do some math, right? So maybe we have let number A equal 10 and let number B equal 4,727, right? Then we can say console.log and we can output the result of number A times number B. So number A times number B, and that's gonna give us the answer. 47,270 is our answer. So you can see it's really easy to use JavaScript inside of the Chrome console. I can show you some cooler stuff too, like how to actually modify various parts of the web page. So let's actually go ahead with that right now. Here we have a headline that says learn JavaScript in my latest ebook, right? But what if we wanted to change that text? We can right click it and inspect it, and yeah, we could change it in here, which is great. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to change it programmatically using code from the console, because sometimes that's something you'll want to do for various reasons. I'm not really gonna get into those reasons right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find this exact element. It looks like it's an H2 class with a content block title as the class, right? So let's see if we can find that somehow. We're going to call it heading because we're looking for that heading right there. Document, we're referring to the HTML document .query selector, and we're going to look for an, let's see here, what's the element? It's an H2 with a class of content block title. So H2 content block title, and let's see if it gets anything. If we output heading now, it gives us this one right here. So all I have to do now is say heading.inner HTML is going to be whatever we want it to be. What should we set it to? This is the updated text. Now I want you to watch right here when I hit enter, and it updated our text. So as you can see, it's really easy to use JavaScript to modify the page, to manipulate the page, to make other things happen. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. That was really quick. It's just make sure you comment anything you want me to cover, anything you want me to teach. I have been writing code for way too long, so I know all your answers, and if I don't, I know the people that do. So comment, subscribe, come back and check out my other videos.